Hello, my name is Alvin, and today we're going to teach you many different things about exponential and logarithmic functions. First, we're going to start with graphing an exponential function. We're going to graph f of x equals 4 to the x power. First, you have to open Algebra. Then, you have to make sure the program is under Algebra by hovering your mouse over View and clicking Algebra. Then make sure you can see your axes and grid, and make sure you have an input box. Then you have to enter the equation f of x equals 4 to the x power into the input bar. After you enter it, a graph should appear as follows. Now, I'm going to teach you how to solve an exponential equation. We're going to solve 125 equals 5 to the power of x plus 2. First, we need to create equal bases on both sides of the equation. By that, I mean turning 125 into 5 to the power of 3 and leaving the other side as it is. Then, we have to solve for the variable by eliminating the identical bases. That is, eliminating the 5 on both sides and solving 3 equals x plus 2. Once you solve that, you should get x equals 1. Now we're going to check your work by plugging in 1 into the equation. You will notice that 125 equals 125. Now, I'm going to teach you how to graph a logarithmic function. We're going to graph the log base 4 x plus 3. First, we have to use the change of base formula to convert the given logarithmic into an expression using common logarithm. As you can see to the far right, under number 1, you can convert log base of b to the y equals log of y divided by log of b. So when you use that form into the expression, you're going to change log base 4 to the x plus 3 to equal log x plus 3 divided by log of 4. Now you're going to open GeoGebra and enter the equation f of x log x plus 3 over log 4 into the input bar. After you enter it, a graph should appear as follows. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve logarithmic functions. We're going to solve log base of x plus 2 to the 64 equals 3. First, we need to convert into an exponential function by following the format y equals b to the x, which is the same as x equals log of b base of b to the y. We're going to convert log base of x plus 2 to the 64 equals 3 to 64 equals x plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 3. After we convert, we're going to solve for the variable. We're going to solve 64 equals in parentheses x plus 2 and then close parentheses to the third power. We will get x equals 2. Now we have to check our work by plugging in 2 into the expression or equation, As you can see, 3 does equal 3. Now I'm going to teach you the properties of logarithms. First, you're going to start with the product property. The product property states that log base of b to the x plus log base of b to the y is equal to log base of b to the x times y. An example will be as follows. Log of base of 4 to the second plus log base of 4 to the 8th equals log base of 4 to the 16th. When you plug that into a calculator, you will see that 2 does equal 2. Now I'm going to teach you the quotient property. It states that log base of b to the x minus log base of b to the y does equal log base of b x divided by y. An example is as follows. Log base of 4 to the second minus log base of 4 to the eighth is equal to log base of 4 to the 2 divided by 8. By using a calculator, you can see that -1 does equal -1. Now I'm going to teach you the power property. The power property states that log base of b to the x to the y is equal to y log base of b x. An example is as follows. Log base of 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 8 is equal to 8 log base of 2 to the 4th. Using a calculator, you can see that 16 does equal 16. Now remember that for these properties to work as they say, all bases must be equal. If bases are not equal, you must use all of the other information you've learned today to make sure the bases are equal. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you, Ms. Gamble.